Welcome to Kilmelford Yacht Haven, on the shores of Loch Melfort. Kilmelford lies 17 miles to the south of Oban. Customers are welcome to work on their own boats. We have plenty of space and expert advice is readily available. The yard offers ample parking space, easy access from the main road for cars, lorries and trailers. We offer a year-round camping facility. Bring your canoes, kayaks, small boats and explore Loch Melfort and the surrounding countryside. The camping area offers lovely views in a peaceful location.